Hey there, so it was brought to my attention that it would be helpful if you knew how to put your stand together for your Sunweaver looms, also known in the past as the weaving goddess looms. And so if you have a stand, it's going to come with 3 pieces and you have to assemble it, okay? So your stand may be completely blank on both sides, or it actually might have the name of the product on one side. So I'm just going to turn it so that it is this way. And also, I just want to point out that it is wood, right? So you could totally paint it, you could stain it, or you could certainly leave it the way that it is. So this is the base, all right? And you'll see the little notches. And what we're going to do is we're going to take these 2 pieces, right? So this is like the little scoops. I'll refer to them kind of like as the wings, right? So you've got a slit that's coming down, and then you have one that's going up, and you're going to take those 2 pieces and just slide one into the other, just like that, okay? And then all you would do is place those little ends right into the notches. Now, what I have found and what I like to do is I actually like to turn this over, and then I will put Aleene's Turbo Tacky Glue into the slots here, and I will secure it so that it's nice and sturdy. Let me bring in this one for you. So this one is all glued. Okay, so you can see that it's a little shiny, but since this is on the bottom side, that doesn't really matter. And again, whether you use the plain side or the lasered side, it's completely up to you, however your stand came. So let me do that one more time. We could take it apart. All right, so you've got 3 pieces. You have the round piece, which is your base. You have the 2 wing pieces, right? Again, you have a slit that's coming closest to your body, one that's away, so one that's down, one that's up. We're going to slide those into each other just like that, and then you put them into the little notches. And again, I prefer to then turn it over. Okay, make sure those are down in there. Sometimes they give you a little. Okay, and then what I would do is just make sure everything is nice and even and in there, because they do kind of want to bounce around. And then take the Aleene's Turbo Glue and glue them in. So you could put the glue on the little notches here. You could certainly do that beforehand. I would just suggest that you have a wet wipe and a toothpick so you can clean up your mess. Okay, I hope that helps. It's pretty easy peasy pumpkin squeezy. You do not have to glue them in place, but I prefer it. It just keeps it more balanced. All right, hope that helps.